WashTec. Car wash technology ahead of its time. SoftCare Juno, WashTec's quickest double gantry rollover machine for extremely successful washing business. Washes and dries vehicles in about 2.5 minutes. Top-class manufacture and finishing. The latest technology, thought out to the last detail. 4 brushes and 6 dryers efficiently clean all vehicles. Economical system for 1,200 washes or more per month. Gentle loosening of dirt using foamed, liquid or hot lather makes rinsing easier. After encrusted dirt has been loosened, it is advisable to rinse the vehicle with a high-pressure wash so that you can achieve best washing results, an advantage your customers will appreciate. Clean all vehicles gently and thoroughly after the pre-wash with Softex, the award-winning washing material. Softex leaves no traces on the vehicles after washing, with the result that the paint keeps on shining even after numerous washes. This has been scientifically proven. New paintwork? No problem. Preserving the paint's shine is particularly important for new vehicles. Many car manufacturers are more than satisfied with Softex and have been using our products for many years with great success. Dedicated car drivers who have cleaned their cars themselves up to now will be thrilled with Softex. Win over potential new customers with our award winner. Top drying result for a satisfied regular clientele. After washing, the machine rotates the roof brush at double speed to remove water. The roof brush continues to rotate slowly during drying and prevents residual water from dropping onto the vehicle. The contours of the vehicle are scanned and stored during washing. Optimum drying results through a drying system that follows the vehicle's contours on the basis of the stored data. SoftCare Juno washes and dries vehicles in about 2.5 minutes. SoftCare Juno, technical details for maximum performance. The side washer positioning drive frequency control provides maximum dynamics. This means that the vehicle sides are also washed quickly. The machine permanently monitors the main components. Thanks to this self-diagnostic system, faults can be avoided before they happen, thereby minimizing downtimes. The metering pumps and the chemical containers are all accommodated in the front gantry, guaranteeing easy access. The dosing system enables the precise economical use of all resources. In order that the Softex washing result will not be influenced by stubborn dirt, a two-stage pre-wash system is recommended for the ideal cleaning process. Encrusted dirt is soaked and loosened with a foam pre-wash and then rinsed off with a gentle spray of water. Wheel washers with an integrated high-pressure system even clean wheels with irregular shapes and the lower sill area extremely thoroughly. The contour tracking spray arm system works close to the car, thereby guaranteeing economical usage of water and chemicals. Softex, the test winner among washing materials, keeps the paint shining permanently. 2 roof dryers and 4 side dryers rapidly dry any vehicle. The roof brush rotates at double speed and continues rotation during drying, preventing residual water from dripping onto the vehicle. SoftCare Juno, the quickest for extremely successful washing business. SoftCare Juno washes and dries vehicles in about 2.5 minutes.